Hi guys, welcome to Paris tutorial. Today we're going to do a 4-count horizontal in a closed position. This is one of our basic warm-ups for double stick. So you're going to chamber from this position. There's two positions you usually start off. This one is the closed position and the open position. So in this video, we're going to concentrate on the closed position. So make sure you stick not too long on the grip or not too short like this. Make sure like an inch or two. That's the grip that we're gonna use. Okay, make sure it's not too tight and not too loose either. So from here, you're gonna start with the right, left, right, left, and you're gonna hit imaginary line across your opponent from hip to hip, hip to hip, hip to hip, hip to hip. And now when you strike, make sure you lead with the knuckles. And the reason for this is you're gonna assume that this is a blade, so you always leave with knuckles. So the blade is over here, so you always wanna hit with the blade part of the sticks. Even though this is like a stick rounded, you always try to hit with the edge on this angle, so you always have like the proper hitting angle. Alright, so always lead with the knuckles. So one more time. So from here, go right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. And make sure when you do the 4-count horizontal, you use your whole body. Go with the swing, so you get more power behind it. All right. So one more time. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You can do this with a stationary or dynamic movement. But for beginners, we're gonna start off with the right foot forward. This is the easiest way to do so. Right foot forward, try to keep your heels up so you can go transition to different position. Alright, so from here, chamber, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Again. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is basically a good exercise to warm up and loosen up. Make sure you go follow through and just let your shoulder roll and your wrist roll. Relax your shoulders when you do this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Alright, so from this angle, right, left, 4. Alright, other side. One, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you always relax when you do this. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to do this with the hitting part. Alright, so this one you can do in the air, of course, and then of course with hitting a target. This is basically the application of 4-count horizontal close position. So from here, you're gonna go follow through. You're gonna go. Good. So you go. Watch. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 1, 2, right, left. So go right, left, right. Right foot forward, relax. Right, left, right, left. It's very important when you hit the target, make sure you don't use the whole stick. We're using the first 2-3 inches of the stick only. Watch. So everything is like follow through. So we're gonna be far away from the target, and then we're gonna slide in. Back, right foot forward. Slide in. So, from the other side. Right foot forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. So, in the beginning, you don't have to go too hard, too fast. Just get your motion first. Proper angle. So it doesn't look like slappy. So, so one of the basic moves that we show the students, good as a warm-up, and also like practical to hit a target. When you hit, it's nice to hit when you're hitting a target, because then you can feel the impact. In the air, you can do it, but it's better if you have a target. You can improve more of your speed and accuracy, and also the power. You can develop power by hitting an object like this one. If you hit it too much, they're like, now it's broken now. But anyway, so quick review. Remember, follow through. It's only 4 count. Starts with the right first. Right, left, right, left. So those are like the basic pointers to remember. So I'll see you guys soon for the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon for the next one.